Hello and welcome to my channel, and if you're joining us for the first time, usually on here we have a variety of mixed media art tutorials and demonstrations, but this is an extra video today where I'm going to be talking about Amazon Associates. So very occasionally I'll put on videos about my YouTube channel and growing my YouTube channel and also the different revenue streams that I have online. That's why today's video is at a different time to the usual videos. I've just been looking back through my videos and it's actually almost a year since I did another video on the Amazon Associates and the new influencer page, and at that time it was only available on the .com site for the US. Now last week, about the beginning of last week sometime, I got an email saying it was now available on the co.uk site and I've been invited to join it, and I just simply clicked through and it was set up really quickly. Now I'm not sure if you're new to it whether you have to apply or whether you can join quite quickly like that. You may have to apply and wait for a response from them like I did the first time I signed up for the Associates. But the main reason really for this video today was to talk about the difference between using the links, the associate links, and the Amazon influencer page. Because I've noticed over the last year since I started using the influencer page on the .com site that I've had much more traffic through the influencer page than I have through the direct links. And this is a question I've sort of have with myself, is do we just carry on using both, or should I push the influencer page more and just use that link for everything, or is it still worth doing the direct links? So I'd be interested to know what you think about that in the comments below. Those of you that use both things, if you use the associate links and the influencer page, which one you find better? I've got way over twice as many click-throughs on the influencer page, the direct page link, than I have with the direct links just from the Associates website there. So it's going to be interesting to see how that works in the UK as well. So at the moment the US site has been much more successful, but I'm sure that's because I've got that influencer page. Also, if you're watching this as one of my subscribers to my art channel and you don't know what I'm talking about and you've never heard of Amazon influencers, I will put the link down below as usual in the description to my influencer page, and you can see more about it there. It would also be useful to know from your point of view what you think about these links and me using them to show you which products I use. Of course we have to say that we do get a small amount of money for each product that is bought through these links, and that helps to pay for running the channel on YouTube. So let me know what you think and if you do find them useful, and which you prefer as well. Do you prefer a direct link to that product, or do you prefer just to go on the shop and browse yourself? So really I was prompted to do this video by the fact that it's come online in the UK, which is absolutely fantastic, because my subscribers are split half and half really between the US and the UK. So it's great that I can put links for both. It would actually be nice if we could just put one link that would transfer to both. So I'll perhaps come back in a few months' time and talk about how the co.uk site's going, and let me know if you've got signed up for it and if it's working well for you, and if you've had any feedback from it yet. It's always useful to know from other people how it's working for them, and if you want to talk to each other in the comments below, that's great, and give each other ideas. So thank you very much for watching this quick little video on the Associates and influencer page, and I look forward to seeing you again soon in my next video. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.